Cats are often thought of as relatively quiet animals, but they can produce a wide range of sounds, some of which might be startling to their owners. One of the more alarming noises that a cat can make is a sound that resembles crying. This unsettling vocalization can leave owners wondering what could be causing their feline companion to produce such a noise. While a crying sound might immediately evoke concern, it is important to understand that there are various reasons why cats may make this type of noise, and many of them are completely normal. One of the most common reasons for a cat to make a sound that resembles crying is due to a form of vocalization known as caterwauling. This is typically a loud, drawn-out noise that sounds very much like a human crying or wailing. It is most commonly heard in unspayed female cats that are in heat. When a female cat is in estrus, her hormones fluctuate, and she becomes more vocal in an attempt to attract male cats for mating. The caterwauling is a natural response to her body's hormonal changes, and while it might sound distressing, it is simply part of the reproductive cycle. This type of vocalization is often accompanied by other behaviors, such as restlessness, rubbing against objects, and attempts to escape or find a mate. In many cases, spaying the cat can prevent these loud, crying-like vocalizations from occurring. Another potential reason for a cat to sound like it is crying is a response to pain or discomfort. Cats are notorious for hiding their pain, and they may not always show outward signs of injury or illness. However, if a cat is experiencing physical discomfort, such as a wound, arthritis, dental problems, or a urinary tract infection, it may vocalize in a way that resembles crying as a means of expressing its distress. These types of vocalizations are often louder or more intense when the cat is being touched in a sensitive area or is moving in a way that aggravates its pain. If the crying sounds are accompanied by other signs of illness or discomfort, such as changes in appetite, lethargy, or difficulty moving, it is important to seek veterinary attention to rule out underlying health issues. Cats may also make crying-like sounds when they are feeling anxious, scared, or stressed. This can happen when a cat is in a new or unfamiliar environment, such as during a move, a visit to the vet, or the introduction of a new pet or person into the household. The sound may be a result of the cat's fear or anxiety as it attempts to vocalize its discomfort or express its need for reassurance. Cats can be very sensitive to changes in their environment, and disruptions to their routine or living conditions can lead to increased stress and vocalizations. In these cases, the crying-like sound is often a plea for attention or comfort. As the cat seeks to alleviate its feelings of insecurity. Another reason for crying-like vocalizations could be related to the cat's hunger or desire for attention. Cats are creatures of habit, and they can become quite vocal when they are hungry or want something from their owner. A cat may make a crying sound when it is expecting to be fed, particularly if it is accustomed to receiving food at a certain time of day. This behavior can also be tied to attention seeking, where the cat yowls or cries to prompt its owner to pay attention to it. Cats that are overly reliant on their owners for food, affection, or entertainment may use vocalizations to manipulate the situation to their advantage. In these cases, the crying-like sound is more of a demand for interaction or a response to unmet needs rather than a sign of distress. Cats may also make crying sounds as part of their communication with other animals. In multi-pet households, particularly when there are other cats, a cat may vocalize loudly in an attempt to communicate with its companions. This could be a form of territorial behavior or a response to the presence of another animal. If a cat feels threatened or challenged by another cat in the house, it may produce a loud, crying-like sound to assert its dominance or warn the other animal away. Similarly, cats may also vocalize in a way that sounds like crying as part of their mating behavior when in the presence of a potential mate. Cats are territorial creatures, and they often use vocalizations to communicate their feelings toward other animals. In some cases, the crying-like sound may be a cat's way of marking its territory or establishing its presence in a shared space. Aging cats can also exhibit crying-like vocalizations as part of the aging process. As cats age, they may develop cognitive dysfunction syndrome, CDS, which is similar to dementia in humans. This condition can lead to confusion, disorientation, and changes in behavior, including increased vocalization. Cats with CDS may cry or yowl more frequently, especially at night when they may feel more confused or anxious. The crying sounds can be a result of the cat's inability to process its surroundings or its increased need for attention or reassurance from its owner. If an older cat begins crying more frequently or at unusual times, it is important to consult with a veterinarian to determine if there are any underlying health concerns. Lastly, some cats simply have a more vocal personality, and they may naturally make sounds that resemble crying as part of their normal behavior. Certain breeds, such as Siamese or Oriental Shorthairs, are known for being particularly vocal and may produce a wide variety of sounds, including those that mimic crying. These cats tend to be more expressive and communicative, using their vocalizations to engage with their owners or to convey their feelings. In these cases, the crying-like sounds are simply a reflection of the cat's communicative nature and are not a cause for concern. In conclusion, there are various reasons why a cat may make a sound that resembles crying. Whether it is due to mating behavior, pain, anxiety, hunger, territorial behavior, or simply a vocal personality, it is important for owners to understand the context in which the crying-like vocalization occurs. If the crying is accompanied by signs of illness or behavioral changes, it is always best to consult a veterinarian to rule out any health problems. By observing the cat's overall behavior and environment, owners can better understand the underlying cause of the crying sound and take appropriate steps to address it.